Imagine Las Vegas without the Hoover Dam. What you would have is a desert without the dazzling lights and the bustling city that we know today. This 726 feet structure holds 45 million gallons of water. This is the Hoover Dam, and we will be exploring it today. Let's go. For the record, the Hoover Dam's history is pretty rich. Located at the border of Nevada and Arizona, yes, while you're at the Hoover Dam, you can literally be in two states. This massive dam has been controlling the Colorado River for nearly 90 years. The Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge is another construction that sits 900 feet above the Colorado River and gives you the best view of the dam. Why is the Hoover Dam so special, you ask? Well, back in the day, the U.S. was struggling with the Great Depression, when everybody needed jobs, water, and power. Enter the Hoover Dam, which not only gave thousands of people work, but also helped control floods, supply electricity, and created Lake Mead, a beautiful lake close to the Hoover Dam. Originally called the Boulder Dam, this dam was initially named after the city of Boulder, Nevada, which was the location where construction began. When the project was announced in the early 1930s, it was spearheaded by President Herbert Hoover, who was then the U.S. Secretary of Commerce. Hoover played a key role in pushing the dam project forward as part of efforts to provide jobs and infrastructure during the Great Depression. They really wanted to be over and done with the Great Depression. After some back and forth drama about the name, it was finally kept as the Hoover Dam in 1947. There are a few statues at the Hoover Dam, like this high scalar statue that celebrates the heroes of the Hoover Dam. High scalers were the workers responsible for scaling the dam's vertical cliffs to remove loose rocks and prepare the foundation for the massive concrete structure. These workers are like superheroes because they would dangle hundreds of feet above the Colorado River, often without safety nets or modern gear to get the job done. They used ropes, hand tools, and dynamite to break loose rocks, which was really a dangerous job that required immense skill and nerve, so they totally deserved this tribute. The winged figures of the Republic represent American progress and freedom. This is another popular artwork at the Hoover Dam. They stand about 30 feet tall and weigh about 5 tons each. The statues are strategically placed at the entrance of the Hoover Dam, near the Nevada side. Their dramatic position is meant to make visitors feel the scale of the achievement and the importance of what they're about to witness. Because let's be honest, the Hoover Dam is actually a pretty cool achievement. And the fact that it made Las Vegas what it is today is quite commendable. The statue's wings are directly aligned with the flow of the river, symbolizing the way the dam harnesses nature's power. The Hoover Dam is just a 30-minute drive from Las Vegas, so it's a perfect day trip. You'll definitely want a car, but if you're feeling a little extra, there are also tour buses you can book right from Vegas. When you get there, you can hit up the visitor center for about $10, well, you'll get the lowdown on the dam's history and construction, which I'm already kind of giving to you right now. So thank you, Tony. If you want the full experience, you could take a guided tour for about $30. The dam tour takes you inside the dam where you can actually walk through the tunnels and see how cities are powered. I should try that next time. The best time to visit the dam is in the fall, winter, or spring. You know me, I am all for cool weather. It gets super hot during the summer, so if you must go during the summer, bring some sunscreen, comfortable shoes, water bottle, and a great attitude because you will need it. All right, y'all, that is going to be it. I hope you have enjoyed the exploration of the Hoover Dam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to join me on another wonderful epic adventure. Bye.